Hello everyone, it's a lovely summer's day here in Broadstairs, my favourite time of year. I just adore it here when it's like this. Anyway, the latest news is that the Cheeky Beasts and Silly Verses calendar is out now. We're premature with it this year because, to quote my sister, it's because of the COVID. Once again, we've got accompanying verses by Brian Sibley, and you'll notice that it's portrait format this time for the first time, and that's because of the tower of giraffes, meant to look like the Eiffel Tower, which Brian touches on in his verse. The rest of the designs haven't really suffered because most of them are square or almost square or round. There's a couple of circular ones. I've got four here to show you. We've got the otters, the bats, the foxes and the elephants. The others have all sold, but the elephants haven't sold yet. Tusk. Anyway, really pleased with the calendar. I hope you will be too, and I hope you'll get one. That's it.